It rained all night last night and it's real humid today. If you can't tell, I'm about to sweat to death, but we're going to start a fire with a fire piston. This thing has a chamber, it has a shaft, it has an O-ring, and it has a divot. Inside this divot, we're going to place some char cloth. I've already made some char cloth. I've done several videos on that before, but we're going to take a piece of that char cloth and we're going to shove it inside that divot. And you're going to push it down in there pretty good. Now you're going to take this thing like that. We already got our fire tender ready. And what we're going to do to make sure that we actually get a fire going is we're going to take a piece of this char cloth and we're going to set it inside our fire tender. That way it's basically a coal extender. Now you take this fire piston like this and you just hit that thing as hard as you can. Oh, sometimes it takes more than once. There we go, we got a coal. Now you just take your trusty but not rusty knife and you take that out onto your other char cloth. Now just put it together and blow. There you go, that's how you start a fire with a fire piston. That's how you start a real quick fire with a fire piston. It's very easy to use. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, follow, and share. I'll see you next time. God bless you.